Hey, welcome back. So in previous lecture we added the details of the user here in his timeline, and now just add some links as well right here. Just after this, add a link inside the same p tag. Add a ref is equal to, when you echo something here, just remember when you echo something, so you have to add these two inverted commas to the echo statement. So inside the echo statement, whenever you are adding text, just add the single quote instead of double quotes, because when you add double quotes here, so this will not work because already you have that in the echo statement itself. So let's see, there are four links, I mean my account, my post, logout, messages, and logout, and edit my account. So just say messages, my messages.php, my underscore messages.php, and okay, the text will be messages, a wrap close, and then paragraph close. Now the next will be copy this line, paste it 3 times. Next will be my posts. We'll create these pages later on. My posts will be the text. Third will be what is the third? Edit my account, edit underscore account.php, edit profile, basically edit profile.php, and I will say edit my account as a text here, and the last is the logout, and here we will say logout.php. That's really simple. Control S to save. Now come here, refresh this one, and you can see these three links are here. But now we need to go ahead and just stylize this class we have right here, user details. So let's go and add another class, user details, ID, user underscore details, and make it something like padding 10px and margin bottom 5px. Just see the changes. You can see this really nice, fine. And we'll say this is okay, fine. Let's say user underscore details img tag. Inside that will have a border 2px solid black, and border radius will be 20px. It will a little bit round it, the border will be rounded, and text align will be centered, text align center. Control S to save, and now see a little bit changes in the picture right there. So that's fine, looking nice. Now again, the user underscore details has a paragraph tag, I mean p tag. So we'll say okay, we'll say margin bottom, remove margin bottom from there, and bottom 5px. This will make sense. You can see This is now looking nice. $10px, okay, and padding will be 5px. Oh, that's more fine and nice. Okay, so one more thing we can do here is to just add a background color to this all paragraphs. Control S to save. Background I have added is this, but then we have to remove this, I mean, from there. One thing more, we can just remove this background from here and can add the background. For the background we can add another ID right here. Div ID is equal to mention, and just close it right here. Just remove this paragraph tag from here, from the image. So Control S to save and div close. Control S to save again. Just check out. Yes. So now we can go back and create another class, I mean ID, mention. What is the name? User mention, or just mention, or we will say user underscore mention. This is ID basically, user underscore mention. Okay, I will say background gray. Pooh. Nothing happened. Background user underscore mention, background gray, user underscore mention. Just save all. Okay, then come back and refresh. You can see right here. I don't want to add this to the image. What I need to do is just cut it from here and paste it after the image. Control S to save and refresh again, and you can see now. So the same thing I will add to the same border like I have added here to the image. I will add that to the mention as well, user mention. Just I have added the name as user mention. You can add any name. I will copy these two, paste it here. Control S to save and refresh and see. Looking nice. This is no center align basically. So what I will do is just go there and say something like add use center take, center close, and remove the center align property from here. This one I am talking about, text align center. Remove this and see the magic. Oh, that's nice, fine. Okay, so we have this area. Now the width of this should be something like 200 basically, same like image. So let's say with 200px, and this should be text align center. There is no need to text the line, just say margin 0 auto. Now it's fine. Okay, just add some padding as well. Padding only 5 px, so it will make a little bit like this, you know, exactly looking, not exactly like this, but somehow better, or you know, beautiful. But you can add this color, so just do something like use the color Zilla and pick this color right from here and add this color to this place. Control S to save. Now come back, refresh, and you can see name Abdul Wali, country Afghanistan, member since that in this. And now we need to work you know, on these links will work later on, but we can work on this logout, because we can log out this member right from here. But in this lecture, let's just work on these links as well. So come here and say user details, the user details ID. A means that we are targeting the anchor tag inside the user details main, I mean main ID. So we will say color brown, font size will be 20 px, and text decoration will be none. Save, and you can see nicely appearing here, and copy this whole thing, paste it here in user detail hover. Color will be then black, okay. Font size will be the same, and it will be text decoration underline when someone hovers over this link basically, and font weight will be bolder. That's it. Control S to save, refresh again, and now you can see here when you mouse over here, you can see we can just add some dummy data to this messages in posts by going to home.php and just saying messages 2 inside curly brackets and post 3, just the dummy as static. Later on we will change this to dynamic. So refresh, now you can see messages 2 in my post 2. So we have done this. Now the user can actually edit my account, and when there will be a form, so they can also change the image as well as all the other details. So in the next lecture we'll come and we'll work on this area to make this thing, I mean this form, and then the recent posts and discussions and things like that. So we will need to create a new table inside the social network database, which will be about posts. So we can then insert some post, I mean this user can insert some post basically. So see you in the next lecture.